yourself a cool cat looking like a fool. Walking down the carpet with your pants on the ground. And you're watching Bomber News. I'm Devin.
And I'm Chelsea.
And you're watching the Devin and Chelsea Sports Show. Congratulations to the Swim Boys for making it to state the second year in a row.
Congratulations, boys and girls basketball, for winning homecoming against Moore. Here's some highlights. This weekend, the boys and girls will be participating in the Carl Albert Tournament, so please come out and support our players. Thanks for watching the Devin and Chelsea Sports Show. Hey, Bombers.
Yo, congrats to...
The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow.
Yeah, hers won't be coming out tomorrow, but all those that made it to round 2, meaning the PAC during lunch.
Today. And we will be making cuts for the next round.
For top 10, so bring your A game.
Hi, I'm Anastasia, and this week's pick is Lil Flip featuring Gotta Gotta called Pump My Fist. Check it out.